Well, hello guys. Here, the first tutorial that we're going to be using in this new school year is going to be about the simple past tense. This is what I'm going to be presenting to you because this will represent the first homework at the same time. So, simple past tense. This tense is used to speak about events in the past that are limited by a time expression, also in past. For example, I watched Netflix yesterday afternoon. Watched is my verb conjugated in past tense, and in this case is going to be a regular verb, which are the type of verbs that we have used only at this moment. And yesterday afternoon is going to be my time expression that corresponds to the simple past too. Time expression yesterday afternoon, that was Sunday afternoon, okay? And for instance, in the other cases, well, I got three more examples right here. I visited my grandma last Saturday. So visited is my verb, and last Saturday is going to be my time expression. So here in this case, my dad cooked. Cooked is my verb. Some kind of verbs yesterday. Yesterday is going to be my time expression. And in the last one, my mom worked last Friday. Worked is going to be the simple past verb, and last Friday is going to be my time expression. Okay? So in that form, we're going to be able to be able to make the composition of different sentences. Okay? So I hope that this is clearly enough just for you to develop the homework. Alright? So just remember, there are going to be two important parts here: the verb and the time expression, both of them making reference to the past. Okay? Well, so this is going to be all for this tutorial. So we'll see you around, guys. Good luck.